Okay. Look at that bubble. Yes. Now I'm going to show how to play with slime. Look at these bubbles. Yes. Bubble. Oh. It's slime. Wow. Wow, my God. It's like a galaxy. I can't open it up, but oh. Wow. It's so stretchy. Okay. Guys, it looks like lava. I can look at this. Guys, look at this. Yeah. I'm making anaconda. Guys, I am making Titan boat. Oh, that's a huge tail for anaconda. And it's so thin. I show you magic. I need to give the correct shape. Okay. Please come. Let's see whose slime will come down first. My slime came. Look. Your slime is falling. Now let's see how many colors we got. Ditya, what color is this? Pink. Good. Now what color is this? Red. Yes. Now what color is this? White. Yes. And what color is this? Green. Correct. This is like invisible slime. Okay guys, now we are done with slime. Let's move on to the sand. Play sand. Okay, let's close these. So I put some sand in this shell. Now let's 1, 2, 3. Wow! I want. Look at this. I have. Oh. Okay guys, now I'm gonna make an igloo. I want the kettle. I take it. 1 minute, I take it. But guys, I made the igloo. We go from here and enter in this room. Guys, now I'm going to make a volcano. First we need to make the head. I make this. Look, this shell. It's a shell, Ditya. It's shell. I'm making shell. Okay, now the volcano is going to erupt. Guys, did you learn how to play with sand and the slime? Follow us on the Instagram. Tell us what you think about the sand and the slime. Bye.